A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for balloon. Red color. C for camel. D for dog. Yellow color. E for iguana. F for fan. Black color. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for horse. H for horse. Green color. I for ice cream. J for jug. This is blue color. K for kite. L for lion. Red color. M for monkey. N for nest. Yellow color. O for orange. P for parrot. This is kids black color. Letter Q. Q for question. R for rabbit. Green color. This is letter S. S for sunflower. T for table. Blue color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. तो ये है बच्चों हमारी ABCD. I hope you enjoy the video.